Okay, I just wanted there to be photographic evidence that I have all the golden eggs on Angry Birds. I also have 3 stars on every level, and I also have 100% Mighty Eagle destruction on every level. So I am like the king of Angry Birds. I mean, I'm not like an Angry Bird, you know, but I am like the king of playing Angry Birds here. So, you know, I thought that was appropriate because our next problem is about Angry Birds. Well, they're not Angry Birds, but I mean they might be angry, I don't know. But it says toucans and blue toucans, I think that'd be toucans. Toucans and blue and yellow macaws are both tropical birds. Average toucan is 2/3 the length of the blue and yellow macaw. And toucans are about 24 inches long. What's the length of the blue and yellow macaw? Well, let's try to figure out which one of these is discussed in terms of the other. So it says the toucan is 2/3 the length of the macaw. So if we knew the length of the macaw, 2/3 of that length would be the toucan. So I think we need to know the length of the macaw first. So I will say let x equal the length of the macaw. That's such a weird thing to say. Macaw, macaw, macaw. If you say that like 20 times, it sounds like you're saying my car. Macaw, macaw, macaw. Okay, anyhow. Y equals what? Well, that's the length of the toucan. Length of the toucan. Oh, I spelled it right. I spelled it toucan. That's kind of crazy. Okay, so anyhow, and we want to find out how these two are related. Well, the length of the toucan is 2/3 the length of the macaw. So 2/3 of x equals y. Okay, there's the macaw. And there's the toucan. Okay, and now we are told that the toucan is 24 inches long. So 24 goes by itself where the y is. And x is what we're trying to solve for in this one. So if I have a 2/3 in front of x, then I need to multiply by 3/2. So I'm going to multiply by 3/2 in both equations. And when I do that, those cancel. I get x by itself. And 2 and 24 cancel. I get 1 and 12. So x equals 36. So, and that's inches because the other one was in inches. So that is the length of the macaw. So the macaw is 36 inches. So anyhow, I hope you found this helpful. And I will talk to you again soon. So go home and do your homework really quick, and then you can spend the night playing Angry Birds. Well, don't spend the whole night playing Angry Birds. Maybe just spend, you know, maybe 15 minutes on it. Because, you know, Mr. Boyer doesn't spend a lot of time on that, really. You know, it didn't take long at all to get all those golden eggs and 3 stars and everything. So, really, it didn't. Yeah, okay, yeah, it kind of did. But anyhow, have a great day. Okay, an online DVD rental company offers gift certificates that you can use to purchase rental plans. You have a $30 gift certificate, and the plan you select costs $5 per month. So, how many months can you purchase with this plan? Well, let's let x equal the number of months, because quite often x will be time. Not always, but usually that's a good choice to make, because time is usually the thing that you want to see as time changes. How does the other quantity change? And then y will be the total cost to be a part of the membership plan. I think it's $5 per month, so that's 5 times x. The word per means multiply. 5 times x, and that equals the total cost. And then I was told how much I have to spend. I have $30 to spend, so my total cost that I can spend must be 30. Your cost can't be any more than how much you have to spend. So my cost is 30, and I want to know how many months will it be before I have a cost of 30. Well, looks like I divide both sides by 5, and I get x equals 6. So 6 months. And then you can check your work. You take $5 a month times 6 months, and that gives me 30 back. So it looks like everything worked out correctly.